Hello everyone. So here we are again back on our Friday lives. So where we discuss about everything about upcoming requirements. Here it's Aditi Kadam, team leader. So let's go through about our live session today. Before going ahead, let me explain what a Seagull. Seagull is a human resource consultancy. It's an international brand. We have 40 years of experience. We have also been certified by ICV certification. It's the biggest workforce requirement. Seagull International is an ISO certified global human resources and consultancy. Our headquarters is in Mumbai. We also have some branches all over India and of course in Gulf country. We have been certified, we have been approved by Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India. Our branches are in Cochin, New Delhi, Vadodara, Chennai, Vizag, Kolkata, UK. Our international branches are Sri Lanka, Dubai, Kuwait, Nepal, Qatar, Sweden, and Lithuania. We have a jobforyou.com page where the interested candidates can find their requirements and find our upcoming requirements and get their job done. Just scan the QR code, you will get the entire requirements and you can apply there fastly. We also have a Facebook page where you will get a lot of information about upcoming campaigns as well as ongoing requirements like online interviews and any other requirements. Scan the QR code and send your resume, land your desired job. We have a Telegram page, same procedure. You just have to scan the code, get on our Telegram page, and land to your desired job. This is our Instagram handle, like Seagull underscore international underscore LLP. You can scan the QR code, get entire details about the job requirements, and land to your desired job. Okay, so we have for domestic, we have a Seagull staffing group. For the domestic groups, like people who want job requirements in India, so you can get the requirements there and please scan the QR code, get connected to us, and our recruiters will contact you directly. So let's start with the first job opening. It's in Abu Dhabi. It's a nuclear plant requirement, free recruitment, urgent. Like they're looking for an urgent requirement, like short term project. They're looking for rigging supervisor, scaffolding supervisor, overhead crane operator. Salary is also very attractive salary. Mobilization is in mid of January. Food accommodation and transportation provided by therein. The interested candidate can share your CV on resume1@seagullhr.com. Okay, so we have another requirement for Abu Dhabi project. It's an airport project, facility management. It's a free recruitment and a client interview shortly. They're looking for a security system. In security system, they're looking for supervisor or team leader, technician or assistant technician. Both the position hold maintenance and troubleshooting experience in a Smith machine. And the another requirement is PCA, preconditions air unit. Like they are looking for that for them is a technician or assistant technician. The experience in maintenance and troubleshooting of preconditioning air PCA. Another requirement is mechanical doors. Is for the engineer, supervisor, team leader, or technicians. They're looking for a candidate who hold experience in maintenance of automatic doors, air and smoke curtains, PMU system, transit barrier. Another requirement is baggage handle system. They're looking for in this particular position, they're looking for engineer, PLC control room, electromechanic technician, and assistant technician. In this, they're looking for a candidate who hold experience in maintenance and troubleshooting baggage handling system. It's an attractive salary and other peaks are also provided. Free recruitment, client interview shortly. The candidate who are interested in this position, kindly scan the QR code given above, or you can also share your CV on the given email address seagulldelhi1@gmail.com. Okay, it's the same requirement. The candidate who are interested in this project and nearby Cochin can also scan the QR code or visit our Cochin office, or also you can share your updated CV on seagullcochin@gmail.com. Okay, so we are having a Oman and Saudi operations upcoming. It's an online interview. It's a landing manufacturing requirement. Actually, it's a Free recruitment, they're looking for candidate, like positions are like QAQC manager, manufacturing vehicle for Oman location. They are looking for a candidate who hold maintenance and trouble mechanic engineer experience like 10 to 12 years, QAQC manager with strong experience in pressure vessels, heat exchange, process side and advanced metallurgicals, including some DCS operations. Another opening is like operation manager. They're looking for CRA cladding facility position. This position is required in Saudi Arabia. They're looking for BE or MBA with 15 years of experience, with 7 to 8 years of experience in PLC rules. Another requirement is procurement manager. For this procurement manager opening is in Oman location. They're looking for mechanical engineer. Include international sourcing exposures is process modeling, pressure vessels, columns, reactor, heat exchange will be added advantage. Another requirement is procurement engineer in heat wall vessel. This opening is there in Saudi and Oman location both. Looking for engineer roles, process interpretations, and pressure vessels grant experience needed. Then we have opening for planning engineer for facility, fabrication facility. This opening is in Saudi Arabia. They're looking for candidate who hold BE mechanic experience with 5 to 6 years of code planning experience and project management experience in large fabrication shop. Then we have fabrication shop engineer with CRA cladding facility. This opening is in Saudi Arabia as well as in Oman location. They are looking for candidate with BE mechanical with 5 years of experience in managing and state of cladding facilities. Then we have requirement last, so it's like mechanical supervisor CRA cladding. They're looking for a they're looking for candidate who hold diploma or BE with mechanic for 5 to 8 years of experience in handling of experience, hands-on experience in supervising activities related to horizontal or vertical handling. This opening is available in Saudi Arabia. The candidate who are interested in this position can share your updated CV on Seagull One at seagallindia.net, or you can even scan the QR code given above. Okay, so there is another requirement. It's an urgent requirement in Saudi Arabia. It's a free recruitment. They are looking for overhead crane operator, forklift operator, APTV operator. The candidate must hold 5 plus years of experience and above, fluent in English communication, enough knowledge of EHC rules and responsibilities. It's a shortlisting in process. Candidate who are interested in this position, do share your CV in seagullkac@gmail.com, or you can share your CV, you can scan the QR code given above. Okay, so we have another opening in Saudi Arabia. It's like free recruitment. It's a leading international flight catering requirement. Okay, for a King Faisal facility hospital project. It's an online interview. They're looking for candidate are like supervisor, C hygiene and catering, sanitary, junior sous chef with hot kitchen, junior sous chef with pastry experience, junior sous chef with cold kitchen experience. They are also looking for CDP, hot kitchen or butcher or cold kitchen experience. Cummins, they are looking for hot kitchen, butcher or cold kitchen experience. They are also looking for storekeeper supervisor in healthcare operations, basic storekeeper in healthcare operations, LD driver with Saudi license, and technical equipment MEP. Remember, a candidate holding 1 or 2 years of experience in hospitality industry can also apply. Candidate who hold Indian experience can also apply in these positions. Food accommodation is provided by the client, and free recruitment, attractive salary. Do share your CV in resume one at seagullhr.com, or you can even scan the QR code given above. Okay, so this is Abu Dhabi project. So it's an ADNOC project, actually equipment division for STS and RTG crane. They're looking for immediate departure. It's an immediate departure. They're looking for candidate who hold experience in heavy equipment vehicles. The positions are as follow. They're looking for site engineer with heavy equipment vehicle crane experience. Then they're looking for maintenance supervisor, mechanic crane, RTG or STS. Then again, they're looking for maintenance supervisor, electrical crane, RTG or STS experience, maintenance supervisor in mechanic, heavy equipment vehicle, maintenance supervisor, electrical heavy equipment vehicles. Then they're looking for HD driver with UA driving license mandatory. They're looking for mechanical heavy duty equipment or vehicle experience, crane mechanic and mechanical with experience in STS and RTG, crane mechanic electrical or STS or RTG, auto instrument or electrical technician. Then they're looking for trier man like heavy equipment experience, then welder with heavy equipment experience. All candidates should hold experience or degree or diploma or ITI plus Gulf experience is mandatory in heavy equipment vehicles or STS or RTG positions. Food accommodation is provided plus other benefits. Salary is given below. The candidate who are interested in this position, do share your CV in seagullcoaching@gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. Okay, so we have new requirement for Havelock One. It's a Bahrain project. They're looking. It's a long-term and free recruitment. It's a client interview on 20th of December in Cochin. They're looking for positions that as follow: furniture carpenter, carving carpenter, polisher. Polisher basically they're looking for wood, antique, gold lifting or marbling. Then machine operator, CNC operator, and then upholstery or soft maker. The interested candidate can share your CV in seagullcoaching@gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. There is one more requirement like joining supervisor in polishing, mining, or assembly. Attractive salary, visa, joining ticket, reimbursement, GAMCA medical. The details are given above. The candidate who are interested, do share your CV. Age limit is there is around 20 to 55. So do share your CV in the given email address or even scan the QR code. Okay, it's the same requirement. And the client interview is on 24th of December at Delhi. So the candidate who are interested in this given position, the share your updated CV in Seagull Delhi 1 @gmail.com. Or you can also contact our office, Delhi office. Okay, so same requirement. It's in Bahrain. The client interview is about to come up. It's in Vadodara, I guess. They're looking for a furniture carpenter, carving carpenter, polisher, machine operator, CNC operator, programmer, upholstery, and sofa maker, and joinery supervisor. Attractive salary. Again, age limit is there 20 to 55. Carpenter bring tools for trade test. Okay, accommodation is provided with food is also by the company. Compensation plus OT is also given by the client end. Interested candidate can share your CV in Seagull Barodara @seagullgroup.in. Okay, so we have now upcoming new Qatar project. It's a client interview in Cochin around 27 and 28th of December. The requirements are like welder SS, TIG or SMAW or welder CS, take or swap. Okay, the candidate who hold 5+ years of experience in oil and gas industry, preferred attractive salary, free food and accommodation is provided. Candidate who are interested can also share your CV in seagullcoaching@gmail.com, or you can contact on the given numbers. Okay, so we have now new Abu Dhabi project. It's a free recruitment. It's an international requirement for oil and gas project. They are looking for light or bus drivers to pass a valid driving license. Salary is given above like around 1,600 including OT, AED around 3,000 to 3,500. Free food, accommodation, and transportation provided by the client. Candidate who are interested in this position, share your CV on seagullchennai.info@gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. It's the same requirement. The candidate who are in nearby Cochin office or in Cochin can also share your CV to our Cochin office, seagullcoaching@gmail.com. For more details, you can contact to our recruiters or you can scan the QR code given above. Okay, so we have an opening for chef position in Saudi Arabia. It's an urgent requirement. Online interview. They're looking for candidate who are willing to work in home. In home salaries around 2,600. Gulf experience is mandatory. Shortlisting in process. Candidate who are interested in this position, share your CV in Seagull KSA 2025 @gmail.com. Okay, so we have Gulfar requirement. It's Abu Dhabi project, oil and gas pipeline or flow line construction project. Free recruitment is a interview is on second week of December. Positions are as follow. They are looking for project manager, project quality management, senior contract engineer. They're looking for project interference manager, construction manager in pipeline, and construction manager in plant, commissioning manager or engineer. Uh, then project control manager, they're looking for lead planning engineer or maybe planning engineer, quantity surveyor, construction superintendent in plant or pipeline project, senior civil structure engineer in plant. They're looking for senior civil structure engineer in pipeline. They're also looking for engineers like senior piping engineer or senior pipeline engineer, senior mechanical engineer in static or rotary, senior electrical engineer, senior instrumentation and costing engineer, senior telecom engineer. They're looking for lifting engineer, welding engineer, and senior QC engineers. The another requirements are like senior welding inspector and senior inspector of equipment, senior inspector in civil ENI or PNC or a test pack. The another requirement is like the project HSE manager, HS or HSE engineer. They're looking for HSE engineer, safety officer, and read safety. The candidate who are interested in this position can share your CV in seagullcoaching@gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code. Okay, so we have another requirement for Kuwait location. It's an international company for nuclear and energy management project. Okay, they're looking for safety engineer and safety officer. This position is for Bilfinger Kuwait. For engineer roles, they're basically looking for candidate with degree or diploma in engineering, and after NEBOSH, 4 to 5 years of experience, GCC experience mandatory. Safety officer prefer graduate plus NEBOSH and GCC experience. Attractive salary and free food and accommodation provided by the client, and interested candidate can share your CV on seagullchennai.info@gmail.com. Okay, so we have new upcoming project like it's for Abu Dhabi. Departure is within 2 weeks. Candidate who are available immediately can share your CV on resume1@seagullhr.com. Departure is within 1 month, so interested candidate do apply. The positions are as follow: permit authorizer should hold diploma, permit receiver should hold diploma and ITI, rigging supervisor diploma holder, rigger level 1 or level 3, appointed person diploma plus LEA certification, safety officer diploma plus NEBOSH, mechanical supervisor diploma holder. It should be static equipment experience or exchange experience. All these requirements, they need a candidate who hold ad hoc experience is at most important and mandatory. The company name is Contract Resource. It's a free food accommodation provided. Overtime is also applicable for all the position except appointed person. Candidate who are interested in this position available for immediate departure. Do scan the QR code for more details, or contact our recruiters, or share your CV on resume1@seagullhr.com. It's a shutdown project. It's the same requirements. It's basically a shutdown project. The candidate who are nearby Chennai or interested nearby Cochin or Cochin office can also attend Cochin office. Share your CV in seagullcoaching@gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. Okay, so we have accountant opening in Zimbabwe. It's an online interviewing process. It's a leading manufacturing company. It's attractive salary plus other perks. They're looking for candidate who hold degree in accounting, MBA in finance or commerce background. Strong analytical and numerical skills is necessary. Minimum 5 to 10 years of handling complete accounting cycles up to the finalization experience. Excellent communication and interpersonal ability skills needed. Candidate who are interested, share your CV in seagullchennai.info@gmail.com. Gulf experience or out of India experience is mandatory. Okay, so we have another requirement for Qatar project. It's an international company with oil and gas construction project. Basically, it's an online interview. They're looking for candidate HR manager, security manager, camp and catering manager, HV cable terminator with 66 kV, HV cable terminator with 33 kV, kitchen equipment technician. Salary are given below. The interested candidate can share your CV to seagullch.qatar@gmail.com. They're looking for candidate who hold at least 5 to 10 years of Gulf experience in construction field and oil and gas industry. Free food and accommodation provided. Do share your CV on the given email address. Okay, so we have new requirement for Abu Dhabi project. It's an online long-term project. Client interview is held on 13th of December in Seagull Chennai office. The scaffolding, they're looking for 100 numbers. They're looking for a candidate who hold 3 to 5 years of experience in oil and gas construction industry as a scaffolder. Attractive salary and free food accommodation provided. Interested candidates, share your CV to seagullchennai.info@gmail.com, or you can also contact the given number, or you can also visit a Seagull office in Chennai. Can scan the QR code given above. Okay, so we have new requirement for Saudi Arabia. It's for facility management company. It's an immediate departure. Client interview is held on 15th of December. They are looking for technician, elevator and slide door, pump technician and plumber, HVAC technician, electrician, PLC technician, fire life safety, BMS or fire alarm operator, AutoCAD draftsman. They're looking for candidate who hold ITI or equipment qualifications, 5+ years of maintenance in building management system. Attractive salary plus other benefits are provided. Interested candidate can share your CV on the given email address resume1@seagullhr.com, or also you can also scan the QR code given above for more details. Okay, so we have another new requirement, free requirement for Qatar. They're looking for it's online interview. They're looking for HSC officer, civil supervisor, plant or schedule, SPI or experience, scaffolding, painting, insulation, refractory experience. They're looking for planning supervisor, tank, rope access supervisor level 3, rope access level 2, scaffolding inspector, scaffolding supervisor, scaffolding foreman. They're looking for painting supervisor, QC inspector, painting or coating, QC inspector. They're looking for insulation, insulation foreman, painting foreman, and last, boom truck operator should hold Qatar license. All candidates should hold Gulf experience that most important in oil and gas construction project. Free food and accommodation is provided. Interested candidate can share your CV on resume1@seagullhr.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. Okay, it's the same requirement for Qatar location. The candidate who are in nearby Cochin can or interested in this position can share your CV on the given email address seagullcochin@gmail.com. Okay, it's the same requirement for for Chennai location. The candidate who are in nearby Chennai or a Chennai office, you can also visit a Chennai office, or you can also share your updated CV on seagullch.qatar@gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above. So that's from my end. Now Lalit sir will be joining, general manager.
Hi, good afternoon. Namaste, friends. Okay, now we will begin with the requirement which I have. Friends, we have this requirement for Russia, and this is for virtual interview. We are looking for boiler operator, car repairing mechanic, boiler mechanic. Then we are looking for the factory worker, factory man, factory mechanic, mill operators, conveyor belt operators, and normal workers who know little bit about repairing work. This will be a virtual interview. All the candidates should have experience in steel plant or any mining company, and this is very good opportunity in Russia. If anyone interested, please visit our Bombay office for the shortlisting purpose. Company offers very good salary with the free food, accommodation, and transport. And its departure tentative will be take 2 to 3 months time. If anyone interested, please visit Bombay office or any of the branches. Then, friends, we have this requirement for one of the leading shipyard and marine maintenance company, and we are looking for mechanical supervisors, mechanical foremen, and automation engineers. This will be again virtual interview. All the candidates should have experience into shipbuilding or ship maintenance. It's a very good company. Company provides this good salary plus free food, accommodation, transport. They will give daily overtime will be there plus yearly vacation. You are eligible, so if anyone interested, please visit our Bombay office or forward your CV. Friends, then we have this requirement, one of the leading switchgear manufacturing company. Basically, this is Helia switchgear company, and for their online interview, they are looking for project manager, project design engineer, production maintenance engineer, site maintenance engineer, testing and commissioning engineer, erection engineers. All the candidates should have BE or BTech in electrical engineering, and that university should be approved by Kuwait National School Society. Plus, all the candidates should have 5 to 10 years of experience into switch manufacturing company, and they should work in the big project. If they have, we prefer if they have the experience in KOC, KNPC, KPIC, like big refineries or oil and gas company. If anyone interested, please forward their CV along with all the testimonials. We will shortlist their profile and will proceed next round of interview. Then, friends, we have another requirement for Oman. It will be a virtual interview. We are looking for the candidate for QA/QC manager, scaffolding engineer, scaffolding superintendent, scaffolding supervisors, then lifting engineers, lifting supervisors, welding engineers, structure engineers, equipment QC engineer, piping QC engineer. Lot of the requirements we have. You can see the salary. Some position we have given the salary range, and some salary under negotiable. If anyone interested, please forward their resume along with their testimonials in one PDF file. We will shortlist a profile and will proceed next round of interview. This will be a free recruitment, and virtual mode of the interview will be virtual. Then, friends, we have requirement for Al Bawadi Damin Company, and we have client interview on 30th December at Cochin. Client face-to-face interview it will be, and we are looking for machinist 10 number. All the machinists should have at least 3 to 10 years, 3 to 5 years of experience into shipbuilding or marine maintenance project. Plus, if they have ITI, we prefer the ITI holders, and basic English knowledge should be required. Is one of the very good company. If anyone interested, they can visit our Cochin office for this interview. Then, friends, we have a requirement for Cyprus. It's one of the kitchen manufacturing factory, and we have shortlisting on 14th and 15th in Anup Tech. We are looking for CNC cutting machine operators, CNC bending machine operators, and then sheet metal worker, sheet metal welder, and then technician for kitchen equipment who having the experience at least 3 to 5 years. And salary, you can see we are offering gross salary 1482 euro to 2500 euro, and based on the interview the salary will be finalized. This is the complete package, and the mobilization period will be 2 to 3 months. Shortlisting already started. If anyone have experience and want willing to join this Europe country, they can come to our Bombay office. Shortlisting is going on, and this is very good opportunity to enter in the Europe country. Then, friends, we have requirement for Medina company is a free recruitment and virtual interview. We are looking for maintenance technician, those having experience into workshop, then pipe fabricator, then rigger, CS welder, TIG and arc, then blaster and painter. All this requirement will be a virtual round of interview. All the candidates should have at least 3 to 5 years of experience. If anyone interested, please visit our Bombay office for the shortlisting. Again, we have requirement for Romania, one of the leading company, those making toughen glasses, and is a glass processing factory. And here we are looking for glass worker, approximately 20 numbers, salary is 600 euro to 800 euro, plus free food, accommodation, transport company will give. Candidate should have experience into glass cutting, glass lamination, printing, related production process experience. Maximum age will be 45 and they should know basic English language. If anyone interested, please visit our Bombay office for the shortlisting purpose. Then, friends, we have another requirement for Russia. Is one of the leading shipyard or naval ship manufacturing company, and we are looking for Syrian naval structural engineer. Those having experience in block construction and production. Interested candidate should have a master degree or bachelor degree in naval architect or marine engineering or civil engineering with 7 to 10 years of experience into shipbuilding, particularly in block construction and production project. And this will be again virtual interview. If anyone interested, they can forward their resume. We will pay very good salary with all the benefits, and the mobilization period will be 2 to 3 months time. Then this is again one of the leading shipyard maintenance company, and we have requirement for mechanical supervisors, mechanical foreman, and automation engineer. If anyone interested, they can forward their resume. We will shortlist the profile and will proceed next round of interview. Okay, Mr. Vikas Chauhan, you have query experience automation. Yes, Vikas, we have requirement for Europe. Please visit to our Bombay office along with your CV. We will do your interview, and upon our shortlisting, we will process next round of interview. Jamil Akhtar, we have requirement opening for electromechanical in hell 11 years experience. Yes, Mr. Jamil, we have few requirement for electromechanical thing. But if please share your CV on the respective email IDs so that our recruiter can shortlist your profile and will proceed for the round of interview. Yes, Mr. LinkedIn user, anyone, anything for scaffolders, advanced. We have many requirements for scaffolders. If you are interested, please visit our Bombay office or any of the branches along with your CV. शालम सर ऑटो इलेक्ट्रिशियन की रिक्वायरमेंट है. यस वी हैव फ्यू रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर ऑटो इलेक्ट्रिशियन मिस्टर शाह आलम, बट आपको हमारे ऑफिस में एक बार विजिट करना होगा इसके लिए. राहुल कुमार, आई नीड द जॉब मैकेनिकल पाइपिंग फॉरमैन and other supervisor position. Please forward your CV, Mr. Rahul. We have many requirement for foremen and supervisors. Ritesh Pandey, hello sir, I am searching for the storekeeper. Ritesh, we have few requirement for Europe, but unfortunately all the requirement has fulfilled. But yes, please continuously refer our advertisement. We have in future lot of requirements. Okay, friends. Now, if anyone interested and wanted to visit our office, they can come to our head office, Bombay. We are located here in Maroon Laka, fourth floor, Wellington Business Park, 2 Ruby Coach Lane, opposite Andheri Kulla Road, Maroon Laka is very near to Maroon Metro Station. Then we have branches in Cochin and Chennai. In Cochin, we have near to Ernakulam railway station. In Chennai, also we have this office at Kilpak. It's also very near to the railway station. You can put the address in Google and usually you can come out to our branches. In Baroda, we have the office in Raivya Complex, Baroda, Race Course Road. Delhi, we have office in Okla Industrial Area, Phase 1, Delhi, New Delhi. Then we have offices in Vizag and Kolkata too. If anyone willing to come our Vizag or Kolkata office, they can save this address. This is available on Seagull website also. And if anyone directly contact or interested or to find out the more vacancy, they can quote this QR code and directly forward or WhatsApp or email their CV on the given mail IDs and phone numbers. Thank you, friends. And this is our website. Thank you, friends, for joining us. And we'll see you next week with the more upcoming requirements. And we are available on social media platform on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Continuously, we are posting all our latest requirement on all our social media platform. Thank you once again. We'll see you next week. Take care. Bye.